And I think that bag is for Dominique.
Yeah, I see the bread face.
Yeah.
Bread. I knew it.
Let me see. Thank you, note. Thank you.
It's a lemon.
Yeah.
Oh wait, the lemon's in the back.
Yeah, lemon head.
I can't open it.
It's the MGG.
MGG?
Yeah. It's the
Give me
random.
some scissors.
Random 20 squishies. Phone straps by MGG. Yeah.
I need scissors.
Not yet, honey. Maybe you showed it back first.
There.
Yeah, okay, here. Let Daddy do it, okay? Because you might
Gonna chop it.
chop the squishy. Okay. Got 20 random squishies! Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow!
Whoa! I want to open the panda.
Well, we got a big one and small ones. And we got some lanyards here. A broken one. Oh man. No, and there's these ones.
These for the candy. Keychain.
Keychain. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Look at this sweet.
Okay. Oh, some more over here.
Oh, super soft. I like this.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
And 17.
17. Alright, so how many squishies do we have? So you got one big panda. Supposed to be 20 of them, right?
I got the keychain on.
3, 4, 5,
Fill
6, 7, 8,
this.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, another one here, 18. What? That is so sticky and squishy.
Yeah.
Alright, we got one panda. Let me see.
One slow rise.
Slow rise.
One slow rise when this pop fast.
Okay, so we got a big, gigantic panda.
And let's open the pink one. Have pink and a little bit white in the pink bottom. Whee! Let's feel this. This is kind of a little bit slow rise.
Here, one here.
Look, Daddy, it's super cute. It's super cute.
I see.
One have a bow, one don't have a bow.
What is that? Is that like
A pink panda with white and pink.
Let me see. Oh, that's not a panda. Let's see. It's squishy. Slow rise. All
My
right.
hands are sticky for me.
Okay. Let's see what else. Let me open one.
Daddy, I can't put this.
Okay. Oh, this is a sushi.
What? I've never seen a sushi before.
You got a sushi
I
one.
want to show one to Mommy. Mama. You're right. Mama, this is a sushi. It's super happy. I'm super happy now.
All right, got a panda. Okay. Hey, where you? There she is. Come on back.
Michelle wants to come enjoy this.
Okay. Sushi roll.
I like a sushi square.
Sushi square here.
Daddy, someone took a bite with that.
Someone took a bite. Okay, what else we have? Somebody took a bite, you're right.
I want to open super slow because I don't want to rip it.
Okay.
I want to open super slow, right?
Let me see here.
Whoa, it's super sticky in this.
Yeah. Let me see. Oh, what is that? Yeah, sticky. Okay, you want to open another one? Yeah, I got it. I'll put that one.
Oh, I see like strawberries. Michelle's enjoying too. She's
Look at
coming.
that.
You open more? Go. Michelle, feel the pandas.
Here, Michelle, we got this. Wow.
Is that squishy?
Hey, scoot over, Michelle.
Penguins so beautiful. Michelle, you want to pop on bubble?
Want to pop bubbles?
Okay.
Okay, be careful. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh. Oops. No, don't use your teeth, honey. Don't use your teeth.
Wow.
Here, open one. Okay, Michelle, open one.
Michelle, you can't open it.
No, let me see strawberry.
Strawberry.
No face on a strawberry, just a strawberry.
Be careful. Be careful.
You open it.
Here, now you open it. Now you open it. Wow.
Wow.
There's
Yeah.
open.
My heart.
Just my heart piece on and all I'm playing.
Hey, Michelle, let me see what you got.
Height.
Oh, wow.
Now
it's a
I
heart.
will open a tube. What's a tissue?
I got a piece of bread.
That means what's a tissue?
Here, I got a piece of bread. Oh, I'm gonna get open her.
Okay.
Oh,
I got a peachy bunchy.
My hands
what's
all
this?
sticky.
Oh. What is that? It's like a piece of
Bread.
bread
a
or something.
sandwich.
I don't know.
What's an eye dot?
Oh!
Oh, you fly over there.
Now I will open.
So what you got? Little pastry?
I got it.
Yummy.
Now I will open.
Yum, yummy, yum. Squishy. Here, Daddy.
Ooh, what is
Big
that?
daddy. Big candle. My candle.
Yeah.
In green. Oh, pieces. In green.
Donut. Whoa, birthday cake.
Wait, aren't you buy from the chicken?
Hey, wait. Wait, that's so adorable. Here, show this one.
There's a link on the description
Yeah.
to buy these if you guys want to buy it.
I watched on video, like
Oh, man.
Lola Glue's Club, but I don't know which one is that. This is like a piece of birthday cake. Holy.
That looks like the
Piece of
pie.
birthday cake. Piece of birthday cake or triangle.
Let me show you got. You got this guy here?
Hey, I was opening that.
That's so
I
cute.
don't know what that is.
It's a bread.
And this one is like a sandwich.
It's a cake.
A piece of cake. All right.
Oh, that one is the sandwich.
Yeah. So yeah, if you click on the description down below, it helps me out financially. If you buy it, it helps me out even more.
And
This is
Yeah.
not a slow rise.
and this one.
Yeah, okay, I'll put it on for you, honey. Let me see. What is that? Like the squishy donut?
Here, look at that.
It's a squished donut with ears.
Donut!
Another donut.
It's a different one.
And another donut to bite. And another. And the.
It's a donut.
And another donut.
Whoa,
Your favorite one.
Oh, another donut.
It's
There's so many.
ew! Something sprinkly.
It's Reese's.
Here we go.
Mhm.
There.
That's what I'm talking.
My hair. I'm gonna open
Oh, no.
the
A donut with sprinkles.
one. My hands are sprinkled on it.
Oh, wow.
I just don't stop.
Wow, look at this one.
Yeah. I don't think we have enough of these lanyards.
I'm
Hair.
here. That is so cute. I want to open
Hey,
that.
who bite the donut? Michelle, you take a bite?
No.
And what, oh, a little panda face? A
It's
little bear?
Kitty Bubble.
This is stuck. Wow, a goldfish. I mean green fish.
A fish? It's a squishy fish?
Yeah, this is a slow rice. Look at that, guys. Slow rice.
Oh, yeah, it's like a breadfish.
Hey,
Mad.
is this
What
an onion?
Onion?
I don't know
Oh,
what
look at the cat face.
One.
You got a cat face.
And one more.
No, we don't have enough lanyards, honey.
Huh?
Yeah. So we ran out of lanyards, so how many got left? 3 left? Yeah. So Michelle, you got a cat face.
Getting together.
So we ran out of batteries.
Yeah. Okay, and comment down below what's your favorite
Oh, no.
squishiness.
Grocery. We got the that's not onion. It's bun bao.
Bumbao.
Steamed
Bao.
dumpling. You got a cat, all right?
Open the
Yeah.
bumbo.
You got a smiley bread. Okay.
That was
Let's
on
see.
me. And comment down below what's your favorite squishy.
Yeah.
My favorite is the panda.
My favorite is pink panda.
And this. My favorite is the panda and that one. And
My
with,
favorite is this one. And
Okay.
and
Let's
with this.
here. Let's put it like this,
my
guys.
favorite is these with
Oh, I got one more
them.
lanyard. Okay.
My favorite is these with them.
Oh.
Cat face. You get a lanyard. So you can put these on your cell phone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here, let's just put it here. Let's show them what we got. Okay.
Mhm.
And a strawberry.
Michelle, let me see a strawberry. Put it on.
I'm gonna put all the trash.
There we go.
Let me get all the trash.
This one.
Okay. So what do we have?
Oh.
Michelle, put it down, please.
So
Here, Daddy.
Yeah.
how about
Here's the trash.
squishy?
Thank you, baby. Some more. Okay.
So
I like the
Alright.
pin.
I want the
Hey, hey, hey.
pandas.
We got a little bread here.
Donut.
Pastry.
And
My favorite is that one. Super
nice.
adorable.
and
A slice of bread.
And this and these are
Michelle.
I see.
Michelle, I can't see. We got a
Pan.
panda.
Pink panda with a little bit white.
Another panda.
And this one have a bow that's adorable.
Another
I
bread.
like her.
Yeah, we got another bread.
Mhm.
Wait,
Different
that's
faces.
Steamed dumpling.
donut. Hot donut.
What? So there's a smiley face there. Another
Donut.
a bitten off donut. A fish. A cat. Another cat. Oh, this is like a bear, and this is a cat. Sushi.
Sushi, my favorite.
Excuse me.
Not this one.
Sandwich maybe.
But guys, you want to hear this?
Look at this. You can't hear it.
My hand's sticking with that.
These?
Oh, those
Apart.
squished up together.
Another donut. All right, guys. So that's it, right?
Yeah.
All right. So thanks for watching,
Whoa!
guys.
Wait, guys, look at this.
Hit like and subscribe, share it, comment, all right?
Yeah.
And subscribe, share it with your friends.
Share it with your friends. Yes, baby.
Croatia, that is a good
Yeah,
word.
and click the link below if you want to get a set too, right?
Yeah.
I say
Okay.
them for your big daddy
Talk to you
butt.
guys later. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Peace.
Peace.
Peace.